ongoing program is coded welding using the SMAW, which is the shaded metal arc welding, and GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. So during the 12-week program, what we did was to use the 60-10 electrode in the flat position, horizontal position, vertical position, and the overhead position on 6 mm plates, 10 mm plates, and 12 mm plates. We did the open roots as well as the fillet welding using the 60-10. Then we move on to the 70-18 in the same positions as well, which is the flat position, horizontal position, vertical position, and the overhead position. That is 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G. Then from there we move to the pipe welding using the 60-10 for the root pass, 70-18 for the hot pass, filling and capping. Then we also move on to the TIG using the same process and procedure, the flat position, horizontal position, vertical position, and the overhead position. Now what is happening now is their final test, which is the 6G test in the 45-degree angle using the 6 inches Schedule 80 pipe. Now, what they did was the TIG for the roots and 70-18 for hot pass and the filling and capping. During this 12-week period, we used both processes, so we are testing them on all that we've learned so far. Afterwards, we will go to the bending test machine to do a guided bend test to check the strength and the quality of the weld, and to also inspect if they did a sound welding after their 12-week program.